57 is probably the hardest looking question. I don't think it's the hardest question on this test, to be honest, on this section, but it certainly looks the hardest. You ready? Here we go. Triangle ABC is shown below. Blah, 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 gives us the information that's also in the picture. And then it says, note, for a triangle with side lengths of small a, small b, and small c, opposite angles large A, large B, and large C, respectively. Remember this? We had a question a lot like this last time. The law of sines, remember that? It states that sine A, angle A over A is sine B over length B is sine angle C over length C. And the law of cosine states C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine angle C. Woo! Very, very scary and very complicated looking. Very simple question though. Again, like we did last time, do we need both formulas? No, we only need one of the formulas. And so here is the triangle. So this is 40 degrees. This is 18 centimeters. This is 12. Okay. And the question is, the question was, which of the following is the length of B to C? What they wanted was that length. Okay. All right. So if I'm looking for a length, what do you think I need? Do you think I need the law of sines, which has sine angle A, sine angle B, sine angle C? Well, again, we only know one angle. We don't know the other two. So this formula is not going to help us. We have too many unknowns. But if we use the law of cosines, the small c is a length, and we are looking for a length, equals the other lengths squared and added up, a squared plus b squared, those are the other lengths, which we know, okay, minus 2ab, again, just the lengths themselves, which we know, times cosine angle C. And guess what? We know that angle, okay? Angle C is, according to the definition, the angle across from the length C that you're looking for, which is what we're looking for. This is obviously the formula that we need to know. Now look at the answer choices. Oh, only one of them looks even vaguely like this. By the way, we don't want c squared, we want c, right? We're looking for this length, meaning we need the square root of c squared to get c, which means we need the square root of all of this. So we're looking for the square root of a lengthy expression that looks like this, and there's only one that looks even remotely like that, which is e, and that is the answer, okay? The answer is e, which is a square root of 12 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times a, which is 12 times the 18, and then the cosine of angle 40 degrees, okay? Your a is 12, your b is 18. There they are again, and then the cosine of 40, and that's your answer. So literally, all you had to do was look at this and say, I'm looking for a length. I need to know everything else, so I'm going to use this equation, because that's the one that asks for a length, and I have all the information to fill into it, so it's got to look like this. And I need c, not c squared, so I'm going to have to take the square root of the whole thing, and so it has to look like this, and this is the only one that does. A great question, and not that hard at all.